Hello everyone, welcome to another new video tutorial. In this video, I will tell you how to reset your data from your device Samsung Xcover Pro. So if you want to reset your device Samsung Xcover Pro, like you want to wipe all data from your device, all contact numbers, apps, each and everything, like you want to do the hard reset your device, you can do this few steps as I will show you. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can hard reset your device. Let's watch the video.